Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to improve photo quality with RawTherapee on your Windows PC or laptop. Whether your image looks too dark, too soft, or lacks vibrant colors, RawTherapee provides powerful editing tools to make your photos look sharper, cleaner, and more professional. Let's get started. First, open RawTherapee and use the * file browser * to locate the photo you want to enhance. Double-click the image to open it in the ** editor **. If you're working with a RAW file, you'll have even more flexibility when making adjustments. Start by improving the ** exposure so the image has the right brightness. Then adjust the ** white balance * to make the colors look natural. If the photo appears flat, increase the * contrast * slightly and fine-tune the * highlights * and shadows * to recover more detail in bright and dark areas. Next, improve the colors by adjusting vibrance * and saturation carefully. Small changes usually produce the best results. If your image was taken in low light, use the * noise reduction * tools to remove unwanted grain while keeping important details. To make the image clearer, open the * detail * tab and apply a moderate amount of * sharpening *. Zoom in to * 100% while making these adjustments so you can accurately judge the results without over-editing the photo. If needed, crop the image to improve the composition and remove any distracting elements. You can also straighten the photo if the horizon or other lines appear tilted. Take a moment to compare the edited version with the original. Since RawTherapee uses non-destructive editing, your original image always remains unchanged, so you can experiment with different settings until you're completely satisfied. Once you're happy with the result, add the photo to the * processing queue *. Choose your preferred output format such as **, JPEG **, PNG **, or TIFF **. And click Start Processing **, to export your enhanced image. And that's it. You now know how to improve photo quality with RawTherapee quickly and easily. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy photo editing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.